Hey everyone, welcome to the Beginner's Guide to HubSpot. This is Tech Map, and today we'll talk about HubSpot. Whether you are looking for a new CRM or you just are exploring different features of HubSpot, this video has got you covered. But before going ahead, I just wanted to give you a quick heads up on how to choose a good CRM. So, first of all, you should keep three things in mind. The first thing is that the CRM you are choosing must have a lot of capabilities in terms of integrations, so that, for example, if you are working in a business and there are a lot of other softwares too in your business, main purpose of CRM is to have a centralized platform where you can see all the clients interaction, all the contacts, and all the activities you are performing with your clients across teams. So you should look for the CRM that has a lot of capabilities that can be integrated with a lot of other softwares you are working with. The second thing is, you should keep in mind about their customer support. So for example, if you are having any hurdles in using the platform or you need any sort of help in your setting up your account, then customer support is a crucial part. So you should also look for the platform that has a good customer support. The third thing is scalability. It's crucial to choose a CRM that can scale with your business requirement. So look for a CRM that can scale with your business, and so you can increase your amount of data, users, and features without compromising the performance and without the hassle of migrating it to a new, bigger system. So these 3 points have been covered by HubSpot. There are a lot of integrations. Almost every platform can be integrated with HubSpot. Then their customer support is pretty much proactive, and they always reach out to you, and they always respond promptly. The third thing is scalability, and it has a lot of scalable options. So you don't need to worry about that whether your business is on scaling and you need to change the software. Don't worry, you don't need to change the software. You can easily use HubSpot for your future scaled business. Now, after saying this, I would like to directly jump into the sign up process. It's pretty much simple. You need to click on Get Started Free. You will be asked some of the questions that I recommend users to answer, so that they will be able to get a very customized way of getting the data. Let me just quickly sign up on this, and then we'll go ahead and talk about the features. So let me just quickly verify these things. All right, after verifying your email, you will be asked to enter your preferred password. So enter the password, then enter all these details. Industry, marketing, and advertising. Let's go with this one. I am the marketing manager. Just put these details over there. And I'm just choosing my company here. I would recommend to choose this as per your business, so that it will give you the contextualized view of the dashboard. Let me just put this website here. Choose your location. I'm choosing US at the moment. So it will prepare this account. All right. So this is a question again. If you're new to HubSpot, you can choose the option you would like to. So I will go with I know my way around, so it will not show a lot of things. You can skip this part. So my main goal is to track the deal. Let's get started. So after giving all these details, it will directly take you to the preferred option you have chosen. So I have chosen the pipeline, so that's why it is showing me the pipeline thing. So I will just skip this setup for now. Now you are into this HubSpot dashboard. First of all, you need to get all your contacts here. So for contacts, you need to click on this option here, contacts, then click on contacts here. Now, after choosing this sub option, there are two kind of ways in you can get those contacts, either by creating contacts manually here, or you can import this through your Google Sheets, your Google contacts, or if you have already used the CRM and you want to migrate to HubSpot, then you can also choose those CRMs and import that particular contact base. So let's say I want to import through app. So just click on this particular button. It will take you to the marketplace. So here you go. These are a lot of softwares that you can get and import all your contact details. This is the main reason of choosing HubSpot. There are a lot of options here of integration. You don't need to like put every information manually. Just choose your preferred app and it will do all those importing of the contacts by itself. So if you want to import the contacts into HubSpot from your Excel file or from your Google Sheet file or from a CSV file, you can also do that. Let me show you an example here. For example, I want to import from my CSV file. You need to click on this import button here on the top. Then you have to select this option of importing. Then import from computer, obviously, because you're choosing a CSV file. Click on next. You will come up here how many files you're importing. So I'm importing one file at the moment. You can also have this option of uploading multiple files. Now click on next. Now here you will be questioned about what are the things you want to import. So I want only contact, so I will select one object. You can also have multiple objects. So for example, if you have a Google Sheet where all your leads information is mentioned, like their company name, their contact details, or if you have any contract files with them or stuff like that, so you can choose multiple objects. But I'm currently, for example, at the moment I'm doing for one object. So just click on object and one object, and then you have to choose what object you want to start import. So I am clicking on contacts here, and then I will click on next, and here I will drop my CSV file, which somehow looks like this. Includes first name, last name, email address, name of the company, and the company domain name. And you can also add multiple information of these contacts. Okay, so let's get back to HubSpot. Here I have uploaded my CSV file, and here you can choose what do you want to do, whether you want to update the existing contacts or you want to create or update new contacts. So I'm just creating and updating my new contacts. So click on next, and now here you have to map these things. So currently HubSpot has detected that there is a first name, there is a last name, and there is an email in this particular sheet, but they haven't detected the company name and the company domain name. So we have to do that manually. So you have to choose this, like it's a contact properties, obviously, and you have to choose here. Let's say this is the company name. So I will just search for the company name and map it as company name. So here I have to website URL. So that's pretty much it. So this is how you can map those properties of your contacts here. So whenever you upload these files, you have to be mapping all these categories with the property of HubSpot. After that, click on next and create a list. If you want to create a list, you can do that. Otherwise, it will be going into your general contacts, and then click on finish import. And this will start, and once it has been done, it will send me an email where all these contacts will be uploaded. So let's go back to contacts to see how many of them are there. It will take some time, but I guess they will start. Yes, here it comes. So here you can see Michael White, John Cena, and other are coming up. So if you go deeper into any of these contacts, you will find all the details which you have in your CSV file, just like their name, their first name, last name, and here you can find their email address as well. I haven't included phone number, but you can also do that, so it will be coming up here as well. And in terms of company, here you can see this is their website URL that is showing in this primary company section. So this is how you can import the contacts from any CSV file, and you can see all of them here. And once it is imported, you will get a notification, and you will also get an email that your sheet has been ready, and you can view all your contacts by going there. Here you can see all my contacts are there because I have included multiple times the same contacts. That's why it is showing me only 2 of them. So if you have more contacts, obviously they will be displayed here. And this is very interesting thing, that if you have included multiple contacts in a single sheet, it will be still coming up as a single contact. So that's pretty much it from the contacts. So after contact, if you want to see your companies you're working with at the moment, then you can click on companies to see which of the companies you are working with. And for example, you got some leads and you want to put those details here, you can click on create company and just fill all these details. I'm not going into deeper into this because I think you can manage that as well. And let's go to calls. there is also a capability that you can make the calls with your clients. So let's say if you want to import the call records, just click on that, and same is the case with that. It will import all those things. And important thing is activity field. So for example, if you connect your Gmail here, it will synchronize all those emails here. So if you can see this sample activity, that you will be able to see like who has contacted a particular person out of your contacts and what is the activity. You can always comment on that, you can always make notes of that, and you can see all the information in a centralized way. Then you can also create lists for your email marketing. So for example, if you want to create a list for sending an email blast, you can create a list out of your contacts. So for example, if you want to send promotional messages to your new leads, you can create a list here, and then I will let you know how you can create those marketing emails. So you can create a list and just choose your contacts as you want to have on those particular lists. There are two types of list that you can create. The first one is contact based, the second one is company based. So for example, if you want to create a company based, just write that name and just click on next, and then just select all those contacts you want to have. I'm not going into details because the video will get longer, so I'm just trying to tell you the main highlights how it works. Then coming back to conversations here, contacts are, I think this is pretty much it from the context. Now coming to the conversations have the sub option of inbox, where you will be able to see all the interactions with your client, whether it is through email, chat, forms, or Facebook Messenger. You can manage your emails here. You can also have a chatbot on your website if you want to. So if you want to connect it, you simply need to click on chat here, and then you have to customize all these chatbot options, choose your colors, a lot of options there. This is a very beautiful interactive thing that you can do with your customers, and you can grab your leads here. So after doing this, simply click on next, just choose your heading, specific users and team, or custom name and avatar. Just choose anything what is your preference, just choose those things. Then you can also customize this welcome message. Then also there is an option of pop-up. Whenever a person visits your website, the chatbot will pop up and it will start saying this like, got any question, I'm happy to help. So user can just start interacting with you, and then you can grab those leads. After that, you can also give the availability. If the chat is available 24/7, you can do this, and also set up the availability behavior. If you are aware what you want to do, you want to show a message, or you want to hide this particular chatbot, or you want to do nothing. And if you are out of office, how you want to show that this particular thing. So there's a lot of customization you can do. Then click on next, and to preview how it will be looking like this, then you can choose this particular script and paste it in your body tag of your website, and it will be all there. And then when you want to verify installation, it will verify, and then it will start showing up on your website. So I'm skipping this for now. So let's go back here. So this is a very sample data that you can see here, a sample chat. This is how you can see it from now onwards. You will see like, and you can easily start chatting with that particular person. And in this particular dialog, you will see all the details, and easily you can, if you want to assign this to any of your team members, just click on that and it will be assigned to that person if you want to assign it to any of your team member. Then you can also, like, for example, you're chatting with your customer, you get their phone number, simply copy that particular phone number and paste it here, and just save that particular thing. So in this way, you will get more leads, and you will get the centralized platform that will be having all of your details of your business, of your clients, of the activity your team has performed, and stuff like that. And if you want to make it unavailable, just click on that. And after that, let me just quickly go to chat flows now. And in chat flows, you can create different flows of your customer service. So let's say you want to add this chat flow to your website. So simply click on that. Now you can choose the knowledge base as well, or you want to qualify the leads. You can add a form here. You can send them the meeting link, so they can just simply click on the link and they can set up the meeting. I will also let you know how you can create your calendar on which people can book out your meetings. And you can also build it custom with the combination of all these ticketing option, meeting option. So it's a very comprehensive thing, and you can always set it up according to your requirements. And when you are working with this kind of software, you don't need to get anything from any other software. Like, you cannot have a dedicated chatbot provider with yourself, as you get this from HubSpot already. So this is the beauty of HubSpot. Let me just go back again. Same is the case with the Facebook Messenger. You can do that. Now, coming to the marketing part and going into ads, there is also a possibility that you can create your Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn or Google ad campaigns here directly and get all the leads directly coming here. So the problem on which this feature has been built is that, for example, a business is running and they have a CRM where all the contact details are there, but they are running ads and they're getting leads. And then after getting all those leads, they have to come back to their CRM and manually enter all those details. And they have to go back and forth. So in order to get away from that hassle, HubSpot has initiated this particular thing where you can just connect your Facebook or Instagram or any of your ad accounts and simply get all those leads directly coming here, and you can easily track them. Your marketing team can easily reach out to them, and you as a business owner can see all the activity history there, as I've shown you in the conversation part, in the contacts part. Now, coming to the email part, let's go to email here. In the marketing channel here, you can just start sending email from HubSpot as well. So let's say get started. If you want to connect it with any of your another provider, let's say Gmail, just click on another provider. It will directly take you to the marketplace where you can set up all your details. Now, coming to the marketing part here, you can import your contacts. I think it's showing me again. So let's go to the email part here. And if you want to create an email, just click on this one. And what is the email type? Is it a regular email to your client, or is it an automated personalized email that will be automatically sent to your contacts? So it depends on your choice whether you want to send a newsletter or an automated email or a regular one. So you can choose any one of that and just select the list, and it will be sent to those particular clients. This is all about email. Now, coming to the landing pages part, you can also create landing pages from HubSpot. So again, this is the same concept. You create landing pages, you get leads, and it will be all here directly without leaving this HubSpot premises. So you just need to click on get started, and obviously it will be a landing page that will be having the HubSpot logo. So if you want to remove that, obviously you have to upgrade your plan. So let's get started how you can create a landing page. So I'm just creating a sample one. Just have to add the page name. You can choose from all these templates. Let's say I wanted to have this. I want them to sign up for my newsletter. Page is loading at the moment. You can do settings here, just add the title and everything. So all these details, then you will also get more recommendations from HubSpot, how you can improve the SEO part of that particular option. Then there is a publishing option. You can publish it now, and you can also see the preview of that particular page. Let me just quickly go back. So it will load and it will take some time. Without wasting any further time, I will go back, and I will go back from here. So this is how you can create landing pages, websites, and whatnot. Then coming to the sales part here, you can create deals, you can create tasks, you can manage all your documents here, you can also add meetings. So let's go to deals first. So if you have a qualified lead, and you want to map them on your stages, on your different pipelines, so you can also create a lead here. Let's say I'm creating a lead ABC, for example. You can set up their approximate amount here. Let's say 890, and just click on create. So this particular deal has been created here. Now you can also see the history of activity here. When you click on deal, it will show all the recent communication, who are the contacts, what is the company name, and if there is any ticketing to that particular stage or not. Now coming to deals, there is also another part of tasks where you can set up different tasks for your team members, or if you want to do it for yourself, you can also do that. So let's create a sample task here. Just click on create task button, choose the title, let's say email John, and then what is the type of the task you want to have. Let's say it is a call, just select the type. If there is a priority, just choose this one. You can choose any sort of context to that particular person. I have no contact, that's why it is showing 0. You can choose any one of that. Now coming to the notes part, here you can add what do you want to do. Just click on create. Now this task has been created for me, and I will also get an email notification when this task is due. So this is all about the tasks. You can also create documents, and you can put all those documents in a centralized platform. Then in terms of meetings, for example, if you want to send a meeting link to your clients, you can simply come here, click on sales, click on meetings, get started, and then you can also connect your calendar here. Then it will, when once it is connected, all those meetings will be reflected on your calendar and you will get notified. So this is the help that you will get from this particular meeting links. You can also create quotes. So I will not go further into that. Just click on that quotes and it will be just like a simple drag and drop tool where you can create those quotes and directly send it to you, the contacts you need to. Then there is a ticketing option. So if you are a service-based business, you are a software house, or you deal with a lot of back and forth with your clients, you can create tickets here. So let's say you want to create a ticket for a particular client, add your name, select the pipeline, select the source, and write all the description, all the problems that a client is facing, assign to it any of your team members, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can also get benefit of these tickets part, and automation is a paid thing. So I will not go further into that. I'm just talking about how you can start with this HubSpot thing, and then later on you will move on to the premium features. In the dashboard section, you will be able to see a lot of templates, like how you want to see the activity or the contacts in a single view. So here you can see like chat view, you can see the reports, like what kind of requests your team receives over the chat, then email overview, marketing performance overview. So a lot of dashboards options are there. If you want to see the overview of your clients and how the interaction has gone, you can simply come here on reports, click on dashboards, choose any of your template, and that's pretty much it. And now coming to the last part, this is a report section. If you are here, let's say on dashboard, and you want to create a report, you can simply do that by, let's say I want to see the marketing performance here, and here you can check mark all the required things you need, click on next. And if you want to make it available to everyone, or you want to make it available to only you, just click on create dashboard, and now it will be saved there. Go to the dashboard, and now you can create reports of your choice. So this is how the dashboard will look like. It will show all the widgets of different activities and different overviews. Now what action you can do is you can add custom images or videos. You can clone that. You can see the details, activity log, full screen views. So this is a lot of option, a lot of customization option. And if you want to share that report with any of your stakeholders, simply click on copy URL, or you can also email this entire dashboard. This is very, very great feature of this thing. Like you can create reports and send it to any of your stakeholders. Let's say you are marketing manager, you want to report to your CEO. So you can simply come here, create your desired dashboard, and share it on the go. So that's the beauty of HubSpot. Let's go back to the data management integration. As I told you that there are a lot of integration options there. So if you want to see the marketplace of the apps which can be connected with the HubSpot, you can always see here. These are all the types of the app that you can see. So for example, if there is an marketing app you want to see, you can click on. So all these are marketing apps that you can connect with HubSpot. Almost everything. So that's pretty much it. I hope you have learned some basic features, and If you have any questions, you can comment those questions and I will be happy to answer those. Thank you so much. Have a good one.